The cell phone waiting area at Vancouver International Airport is one of my favorite services, as it allows me to pick up people at the airport without having to pay for parking. The idea is simple. You drive to a parking lot, which is 3 minutes drive away from the terminal, and when your passengers get out of the airport, they can call you to come and pick them up at the passenger pickup curb. This video is divided into two sections. The first is for the driver, showing where to park and wait for the call, as well as how to drive from the cell phone waiting area to the curbside passenger pickup. The second part shows the passengers where to wait for you, and there is a shortcut link in the description below that you can send to your passengers so they know where to wait for you. So let's get started. When driving towards the airport, follow the cell phone waiting area sign and park there until your passengers call you. It will take you 3 minutes to drive from the waiting area to the pickup curb. Once you receive the call, drive to the passenger pickup area. Bear in mind that the international arrivals pickup area is different from the domestic pickup area, so make sure you drive to the correct spot. This is the international pickup area. Make sure you don't go there until your passengers are there, since you will be ushered to move and not be allowed to wait. Now, send this next part to your arriving passengers so they know where to wait for you. You can find a link in the description below. Welcome to Vancouver. Once you exit the secure area, follow the signs to the passenger pickup area. Then call your driver, who is only 3 minutes drive from this spot. Make sure you don't call them before you arrive, as they are only allowed to stop to pick you up and not wait. You can also see what arriving at YVR looks like by watching my other video of the arrival process. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.